Hey my people, welcome to another vlog. Welcome to my channel. This is African Jojo from Uganda, Africa. You're welcome. Thank you for tuning in. I appreciate you for always supporting me, my subscribers, my viewers. If you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please do so. Share, like, and comment down below. You support my channel. So today I'm in another village. I'm in Gayaza. If you're in Uganda, if you know Gayaza, I'm right here in Gayaza at my sister's place. That house you're seeing up. Yes, I came to visit her. We had a birthday party. So I'm just here. I want to show you around. I want to show you this village. What takes place around this village of my sister. She's actually in the village. She stays in the village, but in Kampala, Uganda. Kampala is the capital city of Uganda, but we have some towns which look like villages deep down. Yeah, so I want to show you guys around what they do, the activities that takes place here around. So stick around, let's enjoy. Yeah, let me know what you think about the video. Guys, see my face is getting some pimples. See, I'm starting to hate it. See, I don't know whether I'm taking a lot of oil now or what. Shout out to my members. I love you. Thank you for supporting this channel. Yes. Okay, let me show you guys. So today, this is my outfit of the day. Hope you can see me well. So these are our neighborhoods here. They are also planting. This is called nakati. These are greens. So they are planting nakati. They plant nakati. They have also, those are soya beans. They call them soya beans. They are up. This is our neighbor. So my sister's house is there. So this is the neighbor. They fenced it. I can't go inside. So we are surrounded by nature also here. This is where we get the the banana fibers for making matoke. Yes, as you know, like in Uganda we normally make food in banana fibers. So we normally get them here from our neighbors. You can see there we have the forest here. There are monkeys there. I'm even scared. When you go there down, you find there are some monkeys in that forest. I'm thinking of going there. I don't know. Let me see whether I can reach there. If I can reach there, then I will show you. If I can find them. Okay, let me go to this way and see. I stayed this side for like 3 to 4 years, but I never went this down. I never came this side. I never came this side. You can hear the sounds of the birds, sights and sounds. People are still building here. Are still building houses. The gavas, a lot of gavas here. People are seriously digging this side. That is a garden. A lot of gardens here. Oh. I'm scared of but I see there is a big path, a big route here. I think it's not scary. I'm already in the bush. Oh, which bird is that saying whoo, whoo, whoo? Okay. Yeah. I have to jump here. Oh my God. I think I can't go far. I have to go back. I have to go back because I'm scared of this forest. I wanted to go there in that forest and see what is taking place there. But it seems too much grasses. There is no big way to walk there. So let me go back and I look for another way. I look for another way. So guys, this is how Kampala looks like. This is how it looks like. That is up there. When you in that, we have some centers there up where we buy small things. The town shops, small shops there are. Okay, let me pass here. I don't know whether this one is taking me where. Sorry. Where is this one taking me? They can chase you if you go in the wrong route. So this one happened to be a kitchen for the builders. They used to cook from here. Okay. They used to cook from here when they are building this house. And see, It's a temporary kitchen. A temporary kitchen. So here we have the sweet potatoes here. The full garden. Sweet potatoes. I think they are ready. They have started getting some. They use some sticks to get some sweet potatoes when they aren't like ready to be harvested. The full garden. They first use the sticks like chick chick chick. They do chick chick chick. Okay, this is the house of someone who's raising pigs. Raising pigs. I used to see some people coming down here going to fetch water, but I don't know where the dam is all the way. I don't know where it is. So I'm just here in this small forest. I couldn't go the other side of the big forest. Oh, see the small goat here. It is in the bush. Where is your mother? See the small goat. Ooh. See this small goat. It is here alone. I don't know where the mom is. Where is your mother? Shh. Shh. Hey. I don't know whether it is lost or what. I can't see the mother of it. Maybe it is lost. It is lost in the bush. They are going to look for it and okay. Allah, then I have to pass here. I have to pass here. No. Nope. Let me stop from here. I go back also. I will go up there now. I'm not ready to be bited by the snakes. See this maize plantation. They are growing so fast.
Breaking news. news on every screen. JoJo's World, a wild machine. Interrupt your daily scene.